Welcome to my channel, Amazing Fruit Names You Should Know. Hey there, fruit lovers! Welcome back to the channel where we explore the most exciting and interesting things in the world of food. In today's video, we're talking about something juicy and sweet, fruits. Glowing star, did you know there are thousands of fruits across the globe, many of which you might not have even heard of? Well, stick around, because today I'm going to share with you 50 amazing fruit names that everyone should know. Ready? There you have it. Fruit 11, Dragon Fruit, Pitaya. With its bright pink skin and white flesh dotted with seeds, dragon fruit is a real showstopper. Fruit 12, Rambutan. Rambutan looks like something out of a fantasy novel, with its hairy exterior, but inside it's juicy and sweet. Fruit 13, Durian. Known as the king of fruits in Southeast Asia, durian has a strong smell, but a creamy texture and sweet flavor. Fruit 14, Lychee. These small, juicy fruits have a rough, reddish exterior, but are soft and sweet on the inside. Fruit 15, Starfruit, Carambola. Cut into slices, and you get beautiful star shapes. Starfruit is tangy and a bit sour. Fruit 16, Mangosteen. Mangosteens are sweet, tangy, and refreshing, often called the queen of fruits. Fruit 17, Papaya. Papayas are tropical fruits with a sweet, musky flavor, often eaten fresh or in salads. Fruit 18, Jackfruit. Jackfruit is the largest tree-borne fruit in the world, and its flesh is often used as a meat substitute in vegan dishes. Fruit 19, Passionfruit. Passionfruit has a tough outer rind, but inside is a jelly-like, tart, and sweet pulp. Fruit 20, Custard Apple, Cherimoya. With a creamy texture and a taste like a blend of banana, pineapple, and strawberry, this fruit is truly unique. Ready? There you have it. 50 amazing fruit names from all around the world. Have you tried any of these, or maybe even all of them? Let me know in the comments. Which one is your favorite? Or which one would you like to try next? Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to the channel for more delicious content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.